Look at those blue eyes of yours. Look at them. Hey. Yes. Trying to get him to laugh for you. Yeah. There's a little bit more color. Yeah. Look at see, we got toy to play with. Yeah, we do. Yeah. Yeah, the big toys. You gotta stand up. Huh? You gotta stand up. There you are. Chopping your head off now. Aren't you supposed to be sleeping? Huh? Aren't you supposed to be sleeping? Little Mr. Bear Butt. Is that good? Is that good? It's over by the door, the light's shining now, that's why the color's all weird like that. Wave.
Daddy.
Yeah. Daddy's not here though, honey.
Mommy.
Yeah. What is that you're eating? Huh?
Baba.
What is that?
Baba.
What's that you're eating?
Pop. Yeti. Daddy.
Yeah. Where's your pocket?
Baba.
Show your pocket. Turn around so we can see your pocket.
Daddy.
Yeah. See? Turn around so I can see it. And I want to get a close up. Yeah, Jared's proud of pockets. Yeah, that's the little pants your
Daddy.
Aunt Karen gave you, isn't it?
Daddy. Mommy.
Yeah, see? Pocket.